Let's jump into GJ. GJ on the monthly. Nice bullish structure on the monthly. The area that we mentioned in the previous JPY Technicals around 1.171 is it's broken above it and it's now established support. So we'll be looking for longs now on GJ. Say it's not been the cleanest structure on the monthly. We have had this bit of a pullback, broke through this area here which is around 1.61500. Broke down below that, but price hasn't established resistance here. It broke straight back up, and we've now broken above this previous higher high on the monthly. So yeah, we're bullish on, like you can see there, we've nice clean break of that area, and now we've got the whiff. You can see the whiff below it, indicating that the sellers weren't able to bring price down below that. So the bulls are in charge. We go down into the weekly. Once again, this area over here that we mentioned on the last JPY Technicals. So price is now, it's come up, it's established resistance around that same area that we were talking around, 171,500. So it's established resistance here, it's come back down, sort of established support around this 168,500 area where we can see price previously established resistance. So now we've started to establish support there. We've retested that area and we've come back up and we've broken this previous high. So as you can see, this, oh, excuse me. We'll have a look at that. As mentioned in the last JPY Technicals, we have that area of value that the previous high. So now price is broken above and it's closed above that area for the week. So exactly what we wanted to happen last week has happened. So now if price can maintain above this 171,500 area that we were talking about, which for this week it has closed above that area, and then it go down into the daily. See once again this area that we mentioned. So it's broken above this area of 1.71500, which is our area of value, and also we've got this previous higher high, which price action left us. So we've had a nice pullback here. We tested 170 area for its grab liquidity. It's established support here, and then we've ripped through this area, and now we've come back and we've left these wicks here. We're starting to establish support around the area that we've been mentioning for the last couple of weeks. So yeah, I'd like to see DJ pull back into this 171,500 before taking off, taking a third leg extension up into 170,750 area, which if we lost, if we come back, you can see we've been getting nice clean moves. So once we break above 171,500, we are getting that impulse to the upside, and we've also got these gaps to fill up here. So we could see a big move on GJ if price can establish support of this area. Yeah, so if price establishes support of this area, I'll be looking on taking trades up into 173,750 area, and then potentially if price can break out of 173,750 area and establish support there, then we could be seeing a big move on GJ all the way up to, so you can see this area here. We've got nice clean traffic. So we could potentially see a move up to even as far as that. So if price can establish it, price can trade in this range, break out of that 170,750 area, then we could potentially, it looks like a massive range, but we could potentially see a big move on GJ if price can establish support at 170,750. But obviously adapting, there is small, if we go down into the 4 hour, there is, sorry, let me just scroll back.
There are other time frames you could make this easier on yourself.
Yeah, so obviously I just got lucky there. The prices ran out anyway. But yeah, there is small resistance zones within that daily range on the 4 hour. But as a daily range, it's quite a clean area. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking to take That's what positions I'll be looking to take on GJ this week. I'll be just waiting to see if price can maintain support above 171,500 and looking to take buys up into the 117,750 area. But yeah, that's me outlook on GJ this week. That's pretty much it in around.